Hi, I'm Lucas, and in this video I'm going to show you really quickly how you can install Roam42 in your Roam database to use all the awesome features it offers that extend what Roam can already do. So let's get into it. It's really simple. You go to this page here, which is linked below the video. It's the database of Roam42, and all you have to do is scroll down that page and click this button here. That's the copy code button, and that copies everything you need to have Roam42 in your own database. It copies it to the clipboard, and then you switch to your own Roam graph. You create a new page in your own graph. I have a page called Roam42, but you can call it whatever you want. You go there and then you simply paste in what you just copied. Then you read the text in the red box, right? Executing JavaScript in your database is something where you need to know whether you really want to do that, whether you trust the person who wrote the JavaScript. I do, and I do want to use Roam42. So what I do is I click yes, I know what I'm doing. I reload the graph, and now I can use Roam42. That's all there is to it, and I'll link everything down below this video so you can follow along. You'll have a page, you'll have all the links, and then in future videos, we're going to get into what you can do with Roam42. Talk soon.